so good, baby. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do. Feel so good, so good.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm so happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna and welcome to my art channel. If you saw the intro and you follow me for a while, you probably know Alex was back for a little moment there. We were in the supermarket and thought it would be fun to base a color palette today on something totally different. So we picked out some candy and bought the same Amsterdam colors to go with it. It's such a different color palette for me, and I would like that these colors would look like the candy. So this time I'm gonna do an open cup with a split color base. Olga Soby makes those beautiful open cups, so I'm gonna base it on her technique here. And yeah, I love the Amsterdam brand. Amsterdam is also the first tube I bought ever. I'm using it from the get-go and I love it for acrylic pouring, but also for abstract work because it's a buttery substance, it spreads out easy and it doesn't dry that quick. And also for acrylic pouring, it's high pigmented, so when I pour like 40 to 50% water with this paint, it keeps that vibrant and beautiful color like you see there, and it doesn't break at all. Today I'm pouring with pouring medium here, but that's because I want to do something different. Amsterdam is, by the way, by Royal Talents. That's the big company behind it, and they have a lot of more products, beautiful quality products. But okay, enough about that. I think it's time for me to make this painting. Okay, so here I have all my Amsterdam colors lined up. Looks so sweet, right? So I'm gonna do a split base with an open cup, and it's gonna be a love painting. Let's start with this super vibrant pink here. I still have a little bit of pink in the swipe tool, but that's okay. It's gonna be a sweet painting, so I'm always a bit hustling when it's this thick. And the sides I will do later. Let me just tilt this a bit. Okay, so let me just pour a little bit more of this here. Then just a little bit more white too. And I will tilt the canvas later when the open cup is a success. So I will place it here. And then yeah, let's start with my candy colors. I will use the violet red first. A bit more. Then I did add some gold because I think gold will be beautiful in this color combination. Venetian rose, orange. I never use orange. Yellow. Okay, and I think I will pour just a bit of this pink again. And then this warm gray. And then it must, run a bit. You see that here? Okay. So let's travel to here. Not a lot is happening. Well, yeah. Do you see this? It's starting to look pretty. Some yellow. And then I'm moving it again. Okay, let's move this up a bit. I think we're almost there. I think I can. All right. So far, not a lot of huge cells, but I think that will happen when I tilt as well. And I must say, I do love the orange here and there. Very cool. But I would love that there would be more of this violet red and some more of the gold. Yeah, let's start tilting this. I dislike this white part, so I will take my swipe tool and I guess I will just go like that. And here the cells are not coming up from the white there, not yet at least. We can swipe some more. Let's go from here a bit maybe. I love how that's looking. Then this can go a bit more down. I think I want it a bit more this way. A bit more spread out. But I think that warm gray is not really pretty with all those colors here. So what I think, I will pour here some more of this pink and then swipe it that way. We can always tilt it a bit more. I love this part here. So I will do that. I'm not much of a tilter. You guys see that? When I tilt, I just keep sort of the same composition. Somehow I'm scared to do that. It's funny. Yeah, I love this part here, this and that. Yeah, what would Olga do? What would Olga do in this stage right now? Also these gold, it looks a little bit muddy right now, but I know that will dry super beautiful and shiny. Maybe I was already done from the beginning, you know, that I didn't need to touch this, but this one, it's so much fun for me. I do want to swipe more. But you see that Amsterdam, those Amsterdam colors are gorgeous and really respond very well to each other as well. Super cool. Yeah, I'm gonna let this dry. I'm very curious how this will dry, especially with that gold. I think that will be beautiful. Okay, well, I'm gonna give you a close-up here. So guys, I just wanted to show you the dried end result. You know, I love the gold shine. I used only Amsterdam paints in this one, and it's definitely a Valentines Love pour. Yeah, it turned out amazing. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.